Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. You need commitment. I'm talking to you right now. If you're watching this video and you're wanting to change this year, you're wanting to launch something and import from China, maybe jump on Amazon and start selling on Amazon, you need commitment. You've got to have some commitment to success, all right? You've got to be wanting to really get this started. Like not 3 months, not 6 months, not a year from now, right? Like instantly, like right now. Because here's the sad fact, right? A lot of people put stuff off, and guess what? They never end up getting anything started, all right? It's true. Like how many months or years have you been thinking about starting a business, about creating an extra income on the side of what you're doing? Maybe quitting your job, maybe the rat race or the 9 to 5, right? You're sick of it, right? How long have you been thinking of doing something and not a whole lot's changed? And I know exactly how you feel. I know it's frustrating. I know you're like, what is the next step? You know, what do I need to do? Well, I'll tell you one thing, guys. I was in the exact same situation to you about 15 years ago when I started my first online business. I had no idea what I was going to sell online. I had no idea, what the market was going to pay for the product. I had no idea what product I was going to bring in. I had no idea how I was going to sell it. But guess what? I had to do something about that, right? I actually had to get some guidance from that. I did actually find a mentor. I found someone who knew what he was doing, and I followed him. And I basically was guided by this guy, and he showed me how to do online business. He showed me how to sell programs and products, and he showed me how to find the good products and the good niches to get into. So what is your next step? It comes down to finding and getting advice from the right people, but finding a good mentor, someone who knows what they're doing, who's doing it day in and day out, and that's pretty darn important. Just think about that for a second. Do you want to be getting advice from someone who just teaches it, right, but doesn't do it, right? That's not a good idea, right? It's because they're not living it, they're not doing it every day. I am importing. I'm constantly looking for products myself. In fact, I got back from Shanghai about 3 weeks ago, and I was looking at potential products there. I visited suppliers over there. I'm doing this, I'm living and breathing, importing and Amazon every single day. So be careful who you take advice from. But back to what I was saying, guys, is you've got to have some commitment. You've got to be doing something every single day. Learn something every single day that will inch you closer to your goal, inch you closer to what you want to be making every year, all right? You've got to be doing something. So guys, click on the link below. Below here is a website. You'll be able to see, I've got a webinar there. I've got a live event coming up where I'm going to walk you through finding hot products. I want you to be there. I want you to be sitting in the audience, joining me and other importers and Amazon sellers, learning exactly what the next product's going to be for this year, what the hot products are, what the hot trends, what are people searching for. We're going to go through everything on how to advertise and how to do Amazon selling and how to do Facebook advertising. The whole thing's covered. And guys, even if you're not technologically savvy, right? And a lot of people are like that. And you know what? I'm the same. Man, I hate computers, right? Even I get frustrated at computers. Like I get frustrated quite often with computers, right? So you don't have to be a whiz at computers. I've had people in our courses who are over 60 years old, and they still learn how to find hot products and get something off the ground and start importing and start making money. So if they can do it, then you can do it. So really you have no excuse. You've got two choices. You can either make money or make excuses, but you can't do both. You can either do one or the other. So what are you going to do? Guys, let's get something started. Click on the link below, access my webinar, watch the webinar, connect with us today. I've got a product discovery call. This is a 15-minute, it's a complimentary call. It's to speak to you about what you're passionate about. What are your potential products? What do you want to bring in? What is hot right now? Then we nut out a quick plan, a strategy, a plan of attack to get something off the ground. Let's do it. Let's knock it over this year, guys. Book yourself in for a call with one of our team members or myself. Let's get something started today. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys, and to your success in importing and Amazon. Talk to you real soon.